Not too high. Too high. What? That's great. Yeah. Sorry, what's on the next to them cock up in a man like a bull cow, you understand me? Sorry what the inconvenience of me not. You understand me? Sorry about the inconvenience of my naughty. You get to me, God, good morning, my supporters, my lovers, my babies. Hey, make sure to go down and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Wanna click the notification bell so when I put up a video, when I get to see them done the video, and they're gonna please wanna make money in peace now. Please not beg on please subscribe to the YouTube channel and make a little money. Yeah, beg on please. Pretty than box. When me done, me I go put the link and then with this and something. You know why I never get this? I need a humpty gun, but only go subscribe to the YouTube channel and make a little money. Watch the advertisement and people. You understand it? You go laugh or still not people, but it's on comment. You understand the idea? Let's see if yeah. Don't see like a stimulant. I go on for the book, I go on for the YouTube, I go somebody, I go somebody, I stand up, I don't know. Everybody has to be successful every time to become a coach, to become a coach speaker, and this speaker. Me not do that, me level the blood clot growing. I go, level. Youth, me now blood clot disgrace, no blood clot body, me I tell you how me feel. I tell you like how me feel real. You see yourself? Alright. So, me own see how Donna want to piece in the around the world, collect off the whole lot of money and foreign to work class. Hey, what you say, girl, come cry wolf? When I say girl come cry wolf, girl cry wolf and dead, bill back and I cry wolf straight and I carry beer money out of the pocket. Me show me, you know, me show hustling, girl hustling, me show me, you know, girl hustling, you know. Yeah, we like these people, me know nobody this, me that's what I'm saying, me reason for the two sides here. Me reason for the Donna side, me gonna give everybody when they get that whole on, man. You see me idea? You get hustle. The girl sister, if you come ball out, say you have a couple of hundred feet near your yard, you can't feed and you're not clothe them properly and bumbo cloth and know what you then live. Who not go send on money? Right now people know say the easiest way to get some money out of the pocket and go to boom and ball out. Most of them not going to get some like money from because nobody will do it for their life. What's your about it? Oh, no, me have them. Tell me for I hear with the comment now. Oh, should I say something, man? Oh, should I tell me so that I hear me, G? Oh, the stubborn, sir. I mean stubborn, I never hear, Uno. So, G code, I mean never read. Yeah? Well, let me show you after. Wait. When I hear me now, Nah, tell me so now hear me better now. You see, bro? Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Unbuckler. You still can't hear? Hmm? When I hear me now? Tell me so when I hear me now. When I hear me perfectly loud and clear. Sorry, man, I show me. I'm never really coming there. No, me feel so bad, man. Don't make me feel so blood clot bad. Don't. Right? Good. So let's everything 100, you know. Alright then. Oh, big up my sister more. Walk more. Where them more? Out there. The girl knows the easiest way right now for hustle out to the pocket and to come cry out. Say Pitney they hungry. He Pitney they now know if he sleep. So she goes to boom a lane for Miss Donna She now. Miss Donna She, I fear her own means and ways why she do this, you know. Everybody always come and talk about say, yo, Miss Donna do the goodness or Miss Donna, yeah, idiot man. Miss Donna get fair benefit out of this. You see, chap? This is not goodness and not so they feel like they don't get some of them money there. Them money they want to see her come a yard. They don't feel like say Miss Donna get out of it. Miss Donna live a lavish bounty in my dream. I swear, you know, I live off on the money to see him here in my dream. We don't like to be logical. We don't have to say everybody a hustle. Everybody a hustle and make a food out there. You see me? When the little money they come from foreign and she share you up on the life, when the life done she have to broke you up. That money have to broke up and give Miss Donna what she will get out of it. You see what I mean? Because everybody have get up and talk about so good Mr. Hart and Red. Everybody have to them means and ways why they do a thing. You think some man that get up every day and do a thing just because thing they have to do? Nada. I want you. She will get fear benefit out of it. That's why she begs. When you are collecting money behind her back. You see what they are collecting money behind her back now, she have a vex. Because she not get none out of it. She not get none out of it. The money now broke up good. When you have a some now and get the blood clot connection them outside now and they must send the food come to you directly. She not get none out of it. That I got beg, it will turn her stomach. It will turn her stomach. Watch her now. If I help you, help somebody. And them will get the help. And you're not involved. You shouldn't vex. You shouldn't vex. You should not vex. And I vex the vex. Me say, him vex. Why him vex? Because he not get none. He not get none of his food. So guess what now? He said, I'm going to bring out the girl. I said, Jamaican people stay, you know. I said, Jamaican people stay. You see, just because Mama now get fear 100% out of money, Mama bring her out too, no. Show me say girl asleep in a one room with man and a fuck on the bed. Who don't know give Cathy bed already, man? Anything Cathy want to do on the bed, the Cathy are going to. Who don't want to buy bed, give girl for? What I say? What I say then? He can't have fuck. I want to do that clad here. So what I know? Tell me something. I want to do rather a girl do. Left it tree pit them in the one room. Go over the boy yard, over my boy mother yard, or wherever boy catch up and live. And left it tree pit them in the house. And gone over there and make the house burn down with the tree pit them. Then you're not going to say careless. Then you're not going to say careless. If you get one fuck for the bumbo clad bed, what that have to do with Donna? I want the blood clot, you make it thing look more than what blood clot same. You girl want to go full teeth too. I want full teeth in girl this. The whole away at Jamaica knows that them girl are teeth in girl. The whole away, you want teeth in girl, good as we know you, you know. We know, we are general out there in the street, begging girl, you know. The one who have been pitting them, you know. You dirty girl, you know. You know you're a thief, mama. So nobody can go like you're a thief. You go formulate up a little blood clot story and come get Donna, you know, and Donna go some woman and get in the food and a ray and a tea. And you say, yo, yes, boops. You feel me a deal with man ras. You get to be a deal with? You're not no good thief because he's an ungrateful thief. That's the first thing. You understand me? He's an ungrateful blood clot thief. Because enough of when me see a blood clot go on a tongue, come and make up one bag of blood clot nice. Me don't come here to be dip on nobody blood clot side. Me just come here to be talk on my face. You see how me deal with me, Jay? Everybody have to them pay the out of them people their money. So nobody not even come go on over the little blood clot money, but who want house and who no want blood clot house. A thief, people, a thief. I want to talk about say, yo, and them something don't always use pity and sorry for and bumbo clot give people no money. That's how I get robbed. When I go talk about say, yo, people are thief around them. Nobody not thief around them, and I want to take up on the money and I get people, you know me, G. See, so what time we give people the money, no matter what them are doing the money, me, G, because they don't give them already, me, G. You see, pray? Yeah, Mr. Nugget. Miss Donna get out of money to some of them. Miss Donna go and say she not get out of them bag of money and walk come from foreign. Him and the amount of food. Him and the amount of the blood clot food to say girl and get all the money behind her back. You know, it will draw eruption. That's all. Right, that's why I make like everything. Because she not get none out of it. Donna not get none of money. Miss Donna not get none. So if the people must send the money go give. What girl ya? Tissue. Thieving girl, that one day, thieving girl. If she goes to boobs now, if thieving girl goes to boobs and get the money behind Miss Donna back, you know. That I go burn Miss Donna. I'm talking like one your time. Wow, nobody not go happy for that. Because here one now, here Miss Donna is my boss, you. And you take all of blood clot money. My boss here, you take all of the blood clot money. And you're not give me none. And you people must send the money come get straight. That means that I not get none of the blood clot forward. Truly, me not go get none of the food. So yes, me go come on social media. You get like I say, she give boy $4 to buy weed. No must for sell. Nobody can burn off $4 worth of weed, man. Mr. Now watch his style. I bet they say, he got a fool girl. Because if the boy go buy the weed, you know, $4 worth, you know, probably all a pound of weed that, you know, you see me? And a share go sell it and a running off on the base. Well, not on the base still. Probably mama go a road go sell the weed or have someone distribute this ganja here. You feel like you're doing? Because $4 worth of weed. And then like she said, she gave him a $50 to go buy a 50 bag, you know. She go buy some weed. I must be sell. No, a common sense you're using, Miss Donna. Come on, man. Listen me. Miss Donna, you use common sense. I must sell, she go sell this weed. You understand what I did? Flip back your money, said speed. You see, pray, and make her take a thing and go and get 100% and them look a thing there. Hear me, G. All the corruption you want go on up, you have gone because of money I bring you strife. The money I bring you strife, you know. Hear me, G. It's too old I see you kind of hustle and hustle for you see everything. Have money, a class, it's strife. You get a thief. We see it, we know it's a thief. We know, everybody look for you, we see it, say I want a thief in girl. You beggy, girl, we know. And just, you can't fool, wolf in a sheep clothes and all that we know. But some of the time we tell some of the people, they say, we bad mind and I like help people. And a bad mind and I like help people, everybody come with them own little games and want to make them play. So make them win too. Want to make them play games with an heartstring, me G. And come back, ooh, if you didn't hungry and I sleep down. Oh, and on the bed. Oh, on the tree, and never sleep. Only make people come cry to you like this. You understand me? When you take on a look of sympathy, people like me when they like. How they say they on the internet, of course, every day already. Who would rather watch things with that show no money? You understand me? I deal with coming out. You understand me? You understand me? I'm not too much pussy clock, right? There is no time in my life when I ever beg on nothing. Because at the end of the day, on our people, so to stay. It's like when you get a little bed, then when you go find a little boy underneath the bed and hide from it. That Mr. They one lad. We are doing a little one room a search for man. What is that's a lot of people help me in a life, you know. No, because you go so boom, no one believe I want place. And you tell me how to run it. You go come to come watch me yard. You go come to come tear down my place. To come see who on that bed. Me can't bother with them things that me do. No, you're sorry, say you're sorry, say you tell a lie, no good as. You're sorry, say you tell a lie, no. Because no, you realize that you're going to tell this what amount of life it is, how much in hundreds of thousands. Boy, I don't know easy, no, you know? Oh, no, easy, I'm blood clot, and I see people don't have money. Oh, no, have money. I'm not going to have it. I'm not going to laugh sometimes. Why? I don't have money. Thinking more. Hey, I want to tell them something, people. Me love all of them. Look at that thing. 800. Mama. 8 grand US, that's in the G. Look at that thing, man. What my face up? I'm not going to laugh sometimes. I make on a fucking kill off on a fucking teeth them enough time. All of them are getting off on the teeth them today. I make them smile. You understand the idea? Uno must can't give me a thing because Uno make it easy and take away all that money and not do all of the internet and ball out to them. Me not help on the ball out to no want some fuck lick. Uno want some fuck lick. More the money. Me, I drop my cash up underneath here so come on. Buy me a drink, man. Fuck, no, me kid. Me ever lose followers, Tower? Mama, when I realize who I watch, I mean, when I forget that, me don't give a bumbuckler fuck about that. Lose followers for bumbuckler after she and a God. Me not praise you, human being, look a girl. If I want to get right, that go suck your mother go there. Oh, yo. If you want to stop follow bumbuckle at me because of how me feel, you do that. Go suck out your mother on top of that. Oh, you man. One of the things that I do this with bumbuckle at real, I want to believe in it. My vlog power me pussy clad care about. So I tell me if we give a fuck about them blood clad topic, you think I'm a praise human being? Any bumbuckle at body who want to stop follow me because of how my bumbuckle at feel, you do that. Because you're a blood clot idiot. Mr. God, me praise the things that now no could have make me jump out of jail the other day. You think I'm a human being do that? Fuck do you? When you get up every day and praise one bag of bumbuckler human being, boy, I want you to praise. No man. Oh, man, follow with the bumbuckler you feel like. What you feel like? Pussy what you feel like, so I come here and say, for bumbuckler praise nobody. Me not praise human being. I no found a pussy clot idiot. Me say, oh, I no found no money on the send go down there. I don't want to go send it, man. Some on a bumbuckler now send it go you the family them a bumbuckler yard. Some on the family them that yard that suffer in a real bumbuckler life. I wanna know about that. But you know rather go send it go get another human or cry wolf from bumbuckler camera. Say if you don't want to unfollow and go suck out to no mama youth. I want to always remember say me a pretty than youth. Me no there so. Because me become bumbuckler worship nobody foot. Me do that to God youth I me pray to. Always remember that. So anybody who want to unfollow post will do that. Beg post will me say do that. I remember that you go suck out your mother to while you do that. Me not praise human being suckle. You know hear me tell you? You there? Me talk how me feel. And if how me feel and so you feel, go suck out your mama if you have a problem with how my blood clot feel. You see how me feel? Me a pray to that. You hear that? Me praise Almighty. Me not see none of the name in the blood clot book of the Bible one time me have read. None of them psalms there. When me a step up and dump on them psalms and when me a chant them one time when me a chant them. Me not see none of no blood clot name in them. Post the wall if you don't want follow go suck out on no mother. No for no bex show no send no money go down there to no. I have no real family them a yard where suffer no. Oh, I'm told you. When you think no, Jamaica, when they are foreigners, Jamaica, and then we live in a bumbuck like castle down and that. No, for we still have family with a yard where a bumbuck like suffer. But you know, rather than you so, and send no money go give a other bumbuck like somebody. All this somebody with the hungry face, you're hungry for. Post the wall and follow and go flick up in your mother. You don't need to be hungry no more, post the wall. The door is right there. Live. How are you, man? Oh, I'm TMG. Post him and I believe in I believe in so the one me for come by us upon you. Help on a pussy clot ball. So what? Somebody dead? Somebody bumbo clot dead? On one hand follow and you see bumbo clot button. Touch it. It's simply a pussy clot. Don't bother with the fuckery, G. Because that's how we work. We don't work so. Possibly don't work for how you feel. How you feel, go suck your mother with that. Me talk how me feel. I ain't like how me feel, go buy a meal deal and sit down and name that. Pussy how you feel, not nothing to do with me. Pussy well, me not come here so come jump on a blood clot trolley. Me not jump on a bumbo clot bandwagon. Me not jump up on no... Suck out the moon. Suck out the moon. What is suck out the moon? Don't ever try to tell me what to believe in. I am my own human being. If you want to unfollow me because I want me to say blood clot you are coming for, go do it. Go do it. Me have my own bumbo clot vlog. You hear that? I am going, you are some days in my debate, you are going to for what I say, and some days you are going to be against. If that you want me, you want to follow mama with the blood clot there. None of them followers you up on Facebook now feed me. Not one. A YouTube alone feed me, my G. None only yes and now feed me. Them the 100,000 views, the none of them over yes and now feed me. Not yours yes and now feed me. The bomb up there. You idiot? You is a fucking idiot. I believe in what me believe in. Pussy old man, me is a serious comedian that can tell me deal with this truth is like a joke thing. Pussy clot, show the beg, show me say, she'll get out her money too. Mister, I get out her money too, say you're blind, you're a fool. Any fool don't know say she'll collect out her money too. She'll get money out of it. Brother dead there. She'll get food, so me now me gonna bully me a bumbo clot come back to one. Lick out me bumbo clot back to one, my friend. Me now ask you, my G. If you want for your pretty daddy, you're gonna lose blood clot viewers. How the pussy clot here? What do you think Facebook pay people? You think blood clot Facebook pay anyway? You could have 70,000 blood clot followers over here, so. This year is a fun thing. The money they over the tube. That's why most vloggers want to see on YouTube. They not come over here as a fun thing. This is a ping pong. Pussy clot, if for real, you know they were going like I'm here an angry bird, like say I'm here with a little sprung there. Yeah, angry bird. Pussy clot. I will suck on my body one. Make me lose all of the followers that I want to lose in that one word. Everybody know what go on here, sir. Then if somebody collect money behind here, what can you vex? Not just because you're not getting none. It come like scamming, you know. It's like you got a boom and you have a one client. And you know, so the client I want good dopey, you know. You see me? And you go so boom, all one idea. You make one of your dog, them go so boom and chat to the dopey. You see me? Boom, and your dog have the dopey now. The dopey has send big money go give your blood clot dog. You bet! You have a bet! And you mean, cause you know why your dog got damn the food with G? And you heard thing. So I don't know what I'm not going to talk about lose followers and Ray and tell me G. Two man talk them mind and it'll make you find them. What a rascal. She a get money on time and I ask you. Me tell you. You feel like that every day a mile walkless life. Me there's a get up and there's a help you will nourish help people there's a help and I get nothing no time. Me just a deep because Father God send me all in a bumbuckler deed that don't believe so. Who don't idiot? The one I don't believe that is a fucking set of lunatic, me G. You understand me? Everybody do them things just because something nice for them, you know. And anytime nothing nice for them again, all light are cut off. I want to fuck that there, me G. Oh, God. We should benefit from the whole light, so we don't know what would have to make it look like me a talk a lie. What me a talk a lie? Yeah, me everybody I get them. I told God and tell us them I get out of it. Mama and a joker, man. I don't know nothing about the road. Someone don't know nothing about the streets, you know. Not joker. I don't know nothing about the streets, my G. Everything I have to do with money right there, so. Mama and I get the money out and you know it, bro. Yeah, my G. Oh, the dog like it church. We know this, you know. Yes, thinking much, Sasha. Sasha, I know you leak like bumbuckler. Hey, you know what, Sasha? Today's a peaceful day. What are you going? Why do you ever think it more? Me beg you, please. Leave me life. Because, Sasha, you dash your belly like dog, you know, that. A 2 belly a month, you're killing a dry bumbuckler whole Sasha, you know. Come off me life, you know. Come off me life. Girl, your body tired like hospital bed. Come off me life. Nasty girl, come off my blood clot life because your body tired. Sasha, you don't know nothing about me first of all. I want to tell this, don't you? Of course. So you mean, you wear the Bex? True, you have Hilton Hannah's like me. Boy, I can't live like that if I want. I want to live the suitcase as a suitcase. I will fuck deal. Let me. Me not a pitney. Sasha want to feel pitney them. He dirty Sasha. Sasha, what do your bumbuckler dirty pitney them when you have girl? Eh? Take them up off my ground. How are you good as at least me no want hotel? At least me no want hotel thinking more girl. Thinking more girl at least me no want bumbuckler hotel at Hilton Hannah's man thing there. Me not ask you, big up cashy diamond every day of my life. You see it, good as you have my aunt. You understand me? Sasha, I want fake people, but some of them you know love cause with them, you know. Sasha, I don't know fake people, you know. Some of them were goodly, me took my body gear already, you know. Bumbuckler, I'm going to talk about wow, you know. Jesus Christ, man. It was like yesterday. You see last year, them time, yeah? What I know? Me, them time, yeah? Yes, rascal. Them the time, the mackerel. Hot, you know. Hot, and we say, yeah, man, you can't get no worse than blood clotting food. You can't get no worse than blood clotting food, you know, me G. Then me see blood clot, ambulance come in and me see my blood clot now. What this mama teeth and scatter in my mouth, you know. Mama mouth ugly, body in everybody else talk about my mouth ugly, you know, man. I tell you about that, you know, wow, you know. And me have to kiss my rascal. Whoa, this now to rascal. Come home. Tell her you alone. You see the bumbo clad vlogging hot, you know. Can I get a wow? Anthony been running for it just like I running from blood clot material like Asafa. Me I said, Jesus Christ. Don't in a garrison. Can I get a wow? Can I get a wow? Call the ambulance. Woo, 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 woo. And me I tell you, the whole place hot. Mama, me I tell you, from bumbo class by show mama reach me, G. Me nah ask everybody, I say, wow. The whole place, I say, wow. So till I'll mackerel like a thing, did all look shaky, what? Whoa, here we are saying, yo, yes, Jaja. I wow, this me, G. I wow, them, my friend. And me I tell you, I say, mama, blood for the blood clot, wow, why in them, you know, me, G. Boom, we see mama bring bumbo clot, baby lizard, you know, my friend, baby lizard, make us hang, you know. Baby lizard, don't it too good, mother tell her. Me I say, bumbo clot, baby lizard, every day, baby lizard, I suck out candy rotten mouth, you know. Every day, blood clot, wow, in a bumbo clot, baby lord mouth, you know, I suck and I should be in bumbo clot, tongue last year, the same time, you know, my dream, and I life and all, you know. Me I say, kiss my rascal. Mama aunt me tells everybody a fight over manager roll about dirty manager. Mama say, yo, Jesus Christ, they don't pay me for your spice, your spice cut off that. Spice don't tell a lie for me right there. We say, bumbo clot, what kind of stigma this? Can they lose about 50 blood clot pH to Ivan, the rotten pussy right in of the G. We say, kiss my rascal. How what is? We see baby lizard every day. Now we have to Jesus Christ, baby lizard. Look at this pussy one. You told them, a sucker blood clot candy mountain, my friend. Me tell you, say, wow, mouth rat me, my friend. Me I tell you, you see one time she just come on the seed, Mr. Good Eyes. If you get 30 to 40 row more at teeth, me I tell you, say, I run the place, my friend, because you're 100, you know. So what do you suppose to people? After the whole stigma and everybody a fight to be manager, you know, me I tell you, you know, that it, when Missy Blood Clot candy in a young, it just never, me could laugh at bumbo clot, me never know how to feel. To be honest, but you man never one of them for me. Me never see nothing cute or me can't tell you that me feel sad. Make me feel betrayed for her. Cause me don't know if she see the betrayal or she got through with you. You see, Brie? Me see people just know of a record thing, me G. You see, Brie? One time I see her, I say, Jesus Christ, substance abuse, you know. That's why I give Father God thanks today. One time a ganja, my best friend, my friend. I not tell you, say, one of the greatest things to say, yeah, me smoke, but I know my substance and one of them that draw me to this, so me G. You see, Brie? I mean, there's a whole heap of people go around the cat, my friend. You understand me? You say them a helper and none of them a helper, my friend. Everybody just around them this thing called limelight, my friend. You understand me? I do? Because one time them feel like say you have couple 100 views and this and that. You have some kind of the shit, you know, and you feel me? I do? Nobody no look on you as a person no more, my friend. They look on your views, them they don't look on you, my friend. Because a whole heap of people go around the kitty and say them a helper and none of them not helper. One no call help. Clothes are not help. Shoes are not help. Yeah, we make joke about our teeth them, but that I never. You feel me? I did that was a part of what to be. You feel me? I did it. I mean I say oh, a whole heap of little things you know could have do better for the girl because you understand me she's a bright, you know, she's a bright spark in our life, like she make me laugh, you feel me, I deal with and thing. And enough people could have helped the girl and none of them never help her, them a run down this limelight thing for views because them there around candy wow. As soon as her name now call no more, nobody not there. Nobody not there and them things them are showing about people. You feel me, I deal with people that look on the fox they candy this and then I look on people. People, my friend, because they say they might help the catty and none of them not help the catty, my friend. You understand me, I do? None of them never help the catty and it hurt me if you see how candy. Stay right now, my G. Yeah, my G. I'm big up all the British, you understand? Because I see she a help for her and thing and world dog, you feel me, I do? You want the whole of we have to help for her. I don't even know which part of find can do. I swear to God. Because me and I did good and they on the gram then take with that the page then they can't do a link again. You see, bro? Enough of them go so boom and then see with the little views them and that them run down, them not run down you as a friend or if you have you as an acquaintance, them run down the views. Well, say I'm grateful. Boy, me I got to. What you mean I'm great? Boy, get people like that. Boy, I don't know if I say yeah, man. So I'm not say I'm grateful. Me don't know. Alright, Sasha, your time up. Well, I'm not telling you that I am sick, lad. Whoa. Got to get bad for the dancing there. Not true, man. Bad for the dancing there. Get a whole heap of potential and sitting. You see what I did? You don't know about the ungrateful part and sitting in the gym. Couple clothes and them thing them. Me no say that I nothing, you know. I something, you know, but you feel me at the I just you have to say sometimes the help of people need a different help, different from clothes and shows and them thing them G. And couple teeth. You understand? Sometimes it's not the couple teeth. Sister, other. Me need to talk to you and I don't see you. I see you, I call her. But yeah, you don't know, because I miss you up online, I not like. Yeah, more me and I. You don't know you have a, you don't know. For real? Me never know. Should I use a video? Me feel so to the mother did it for her, but me not see mother did it for her. More than when she don't get the views them out there. Me don't call her when me done sissy. Sandra walk all over. Yeah, but we go reason about wow. Me love candy to me not like dog. Me see my kill what they flip up and down for the cleaner there. Pick up my kill. Yeah, understand me. That's curious in the dream, man. They come like bunny pop and video. What pliers there? Where is pliers? Because pliers don't make my mama bitch take a film, girl. Yeah, man, good to be back. You know, everywhere. I learn my blood clot lesson. Keeping me and them to myself. If I can't talk it out with my wife, I walk her out with G. Yeah. Can't you make baby lizard name out the whole line fame? With the suck out tongue them. That you did want, Candy. You didn't want to suck out tongue with baby lizard after me warn you how much in time. Me warn you go, me warn you come. Me warn you go, me warn you come. Me warn you about baby lizard. Me say it's a baby lizard. This boy come to suck out your tongue to show you one thing. For show you say my name have a little fame when you have this boy get a big page out of you and a girl wow. Wow, you fool! It's fool. You make it crack soak up the whole of your sense, my G. You understand me, dude? Because that you about the whole of your career. You look a career where you did get there. Boy, why did I go somewhere now, baby? But you know, my baby lizard can suck out the whole of your tongue, man. And that you didn't want to know. You didn't want your tongue to get sucked out. By baby lizard. So guess what you didn't. What's your good mother for that? Yeah, all the thinking about baby lizard. What you know? Baby lizard, where are you? Don't you see where woe is? Go and find woe. Thinking about baby lizard, Mr. Go and go find Bumbuckler woe. Right now. Go and go find woe and put him up back in the same little blood clot, one room. Where did the blood clot couple sweet to them scatter out pan the little blood clot burgundy sheet. You remember? You know, come on and love me, mama. You want me done? You have to run from thinking more, you need to go find one right now and creep up the whole of them little blood clot five of the sweet today. Half of the pussy clot matches. I'm gonna put Bumbuckler one in my house back. Because you come water down the whole of the girl career. Water down the whole of the girl career thinking more. And then now, you see what the rest of you would have. See, me did tell you, you know what? The boy have him baby mother beat you. The boy don't want your baby lizard that drunk right now. Eh? You know what time when he done kissing, I wash out his mouth with bleach. Because I say boy wicked. The boy a one dirty wicked boy from the long time there. Me Bumbuckler. Baby lizard, you see you? And you put blood clot wow, whisper wow there. Because if only wow did listen. If only wow did listen and left out your pussy clot company long time. Because you have begged for your boss long time, you know. But LOL, Bumbuckler, LOL. How are you, man? LOL, thief out the whole like girl money out. Thief out the whole of the girl money, me J. And sitting. Pele, want to go to the boys somewhere, me? You got Pele, me, going. Baby, listen. My friend, I want to meet that tell you. You're the bravest man last year. The bravest man of the year last year goes to Baby Lizard because you suck out the whole of candy mouth and candy career, you know. Suck out the whole of the blood clot gingivitis, out of blood clot candy teeth, them gone in the whole of your lungs, you know. The whole of your blood clot lungs start rotting down off a Bumbuckler. Thinking more, hey, you see you thinking more, Baby Lizard? You're dead body, you know. You. Your opportunist thinking more, boy. Kira said me never tell you big body boy. You big body boy you be. Yo man, you go, hey, them will come up in me J. Yeah man. This program, which program? Me not scam no blood clot, but I either. Me not tell me not take money at all. Yeah, if me broke my sister or them, he send her money come give me for buy weed, yes. Me not gonna say a lie. Yeah, whatever. Yeah. Me have my couple little people from down here when me can call us to buy me a spliff. Yeah, if my little money get tied up. You see, free? Yeah. So guess what now? Me not scam nobody. Only can know if me hungry or not. Me not well, me not hungry still not good. You get the drift of me. Only can know if me broke or Bumbuckler or not. Me tell you that straight and me not beg. Me not drop so far from grace to disgrace. Me not do it. And me not scam no Bumbuckler body at all. Because I could have tell you what you want a kidney and put up GoFundMe and give me money. I'm going to do them things, man. You see me? Because me pretty different enough to get the money, you know. Me put up, say, you feel me, more a new liver and them things there. You understand about the people will donate money for your liver and them things there. Me need heart surgery, them things there. But yeah, me need a new lungs. You understand about the DVD, you have to go buy a new lungs and things. Yeah, that's it. So we don't give people, we don't want to do them things there. Come on, do that. Is me single? No, stop. I'm married, my G. Everybody knows I'm married, man. No, my G, man, I want to get that good notion there. When I used to post my wife yesterday. No, man, we're single, I go. We done with them that's sitting there from 2018. And the day me go to boom and say, I do. And I'm a girlfriend, man, a wife, you see. Yeah, man, I'm a girlfriend, man, I'm a wife. You're single chefs, baby. Yes, me girl, oh, I have something there now. Yeah, man. You know, so 1 year now, I'm married. There was my wife for 2 years. But I'm married now for 1 year. Yeah. There was my wife for 2 years. Yeah, me do. Is that something there? Oh, yeah, me, man, pick up yourself, Sophia. Girl, go on. Go on, brother. Outside, and the girl, them outside, me, G. Thinking about girl, and can't hold this year, you know. Meet my sister. Our sister, want butch. You know what I mean? She want to fuck you with dildo. Yeah, mommy, get locked up in a 1 year. So I want some of my little fuck reactions in my gym. Yeah, man, some people think that you help them, they over them their life. And I say, Natalie, go on. Long time in the read some comment. Thank you, it's good to be back. It's good to be back out here. We get black butter so we come here, so you know. Me so come on IG, man. Start over. Come, yo, wanna make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You understand me? I do it pretty damn fast. And get the video them over there and watch the commercial them so I can get money. So I have to beg on them. I don't know why I beg on them. Yeah. We are there with Sasha. I'm out there. I'm for real. You said food background I can't do my yard? Lord Jesus. But then I'm there now, Mama, you know what's going on. Jackie, what going? Sandra, out there. Shade, you know what's going on. Boy, I didn't miss on it to my G, but boy, let me G, you're telling me touch it, that is a more violent time, but didn't do that, man, you know. See me and a G. Because we can't sit there. I come out kind of thicker still, I'll get belly and thing, but you know it's go, we work off the belly. Because when you stand up to his side, you kind of see it a poke out, you understand me? Yeah. And you understand, I never did expect to get this big inside there. As you can see, the belly make a margin to fire out, right? And we do not want that. We get a bit thick inside of it. Because if it did, boy, they want to give man oatmeal and I youth me and tell them so don't wait for the breakfast, you know. But chow ladies, I don't want to afford. You see, premium gross, my friend. Me don't eat grits, me eat porridge, my friend. You see me, I did, my friend. When you see them come with the whole heap of dry bumbuckle or something, you see what kind of something this. Some dry bumbuckle French toast, you know, my friend, and some cold French toast, cold syrup. Oh, now wake up for that. Oh, now wake up for that, but 5 o'clock in the morning. Oh, get up and yam 5 o'clock in the morning. That'll ride your stomach, man. Yeah. I mean, but I never did nothing to go back a blood clot, Jesus, man. Me, everybody can get to with any blood clotting right now, me J. Me no business. Rascal, you know see, I made the angry bird. Me, if you tell me say that a pink, yeah, I eat that. Pink that, that's a pink. Me no bumbuckle. Me no have nothing to go back here. Eh? When you know, when we actually go out and wreck, that's what they call yard time, you know. Me rascal like all wasp bite me and jail, you know, me jail, go out and wreck, you know. Wasp bite me, you know. Me can't, you know, my friend, all I know me I can talk about, say, yo, me do things I'm going to lie down in jail. You won. You won, brother. Me not do nothing for going to lie down in jail. Me hate the top bunk, you fuck. Every day you not going to talk about, so you not bad man, you not dark man, you not top shy down, you not top not a bumbuckle shy down, my friend. You understand if you deal with them the place, eh? No time, nowhere, no how. You mad? Me? They say domestic violence. I will tell my wife, say, baby, I don't even want to argue with you, baby. Anytime me and my wife catch up, me make sure walk around. Me make sure they don't even text our phone. Since I come from jail, me don't even follow up argument with my wife. Me no, none of that about my class. Not all of my wife, you know, bother me a pussy class. No. None at all. Right now, me good. You see me I deal with? Me don't know what is what. Me grip. You understand? Me good. Yeah, I'm good off on the part early because I don't see what it is all about and I don't want it back. I don't want to get a blood clot. I love my wife too much, my G. I love my woman. There's no way to ever reach to this. It never reach to this where me, affi, no, sir. Anytime you see say it's never reach this, walk out and go on business. You know, the other that I did, yeah, when text went down, calm down, better than we, better than we.